Hi, welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB and today I'm going to be showing you how you can play hundreds of songs on the ukulele using only 4 chords. All the resources from today's lesson will be available from the link below. When you're playing the chords, I want you to refer to your fingers like this. T for thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. The first chord we're going to look at today is the chord of C. Assuming your ukulele is in tune, I want you to put finger 3, which is your ring finger, on fret number 3 on the string closest to the floor. So you only need one finger for this chord. Take your thumb in your right hand and let's have one strum all the way down. The second chord we're going to look at is the chord of G. What we need to do is this, working from the bottom string to the top. Put finger 2 on fret 2 on the string closest to the floor. The next string up, you want to put finger 3, which is your ring finger, on fret number 3. The next string up, finger 1 on fret number 2 as well. And you should see that it makes a little triangle shape. With your thumb, you're going to go all the way down this top string, just let it ring out open. G. Chord number 3 is nice and easy. All you need to do is take finger number 2 all the way to the very top string onto fret number 2. All the other strings are just going to ring out open as well. Same as before, take your thumb, top string, all the way down, finger 2, fret 2, that's it. The fourth chord that we need for this is the chord of F. It's almost the same as A minor, finger 2, fret 2 on that top string, but then we need to add one more note. You need to put finger 1 on fret 1 on the second string up. So if I look through what I've got here, open string, first fret, open string, second fret. So your shape is 2 fingers. The next thing we're going to look at is speeding up your chord changes because this really makes a difference to how a song sounds. The first chord we did was C, finger 3 on fret 3. The quickest way to change from a C to a G is to move this finger 3 up one string. Think about finger 2 on fret 2 and finger 1. So from the C, you move this finger straight up, and then if you can, try and put these 2 fingers down together at the same time. The quick way to move from a G to an A minor, lift off fingers 1 and 3, and then just move that finger 2 straight to the top. The quick way from A minor to F, leave that A minor where it is and add that 1 extra finger. Then we need to do a quick step back to C to keep everything going in a cycle. You've got finger 3 free there. I'll just lift these straight off and straight down with the C chord. The next thing I've got for you are 4 strumming patterns. The first one is by far the easiest. All you're going to do is do a strum down on 4 beats. So it'll go like this. On the C chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to G, 1, 2, 3. A minor, 2, 3, then to F. That's the easiest one that you could do. The one after that would be to go down on the 1 and up on the and. So you would get this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Strum number 3 is a nice little reggae strum. What I'm going to do with this is, it gives it more of a swing feel. I'm going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're going to do 2 down ups, then change the chord. So you get this. If you have the strings ringing out for now, don't worry about it. The way to tighten it up a little bit is to mute. So you block the strings as soon as you've done the chords. Strum number 4 is used in a lot of pop music. Down, down, up, down. 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 So why these chords? It's called the 1-5-6-4 progression, and I bet you've heard it before because it's been used in countless songs over the years. If you don't understand the music theory behind this, don't worry, because I'm going to introduce some music theory videos to the channel at some point. If we take the musical alphabet and we start from C as our root, or number 1, we have C, D, E, F, G, then it goes back to A, B. The 1, 4 and 5 are major chords. The 2, 3 and 6 are minor chords. The 7s are diminished, but we don't need that right now. What we've been taking from this is the C, which is the first, major. The 5, which is the major G. The 6, which is A minor. And the F, which is the 4 major. And if we play this in that progression, you'll see that it's been used in countless songs over the years, such as Take Me Home Country Roads by John Denver. Down Under by Men at Work. When I Come Around, Green Day. Wherever You Will Go, The Calling. Someone Like You, Adele. But the really cool thing is this: if you take those same chords but play them in a different order, so you make it a 6-4-1-5 progression, which would mean you start with the A minor, then F, then C, then G, the same chords have made a different progression, which is also used a lot in pop music. Iggy Pop, The Passenger. Africa, Toto. Save Tonight, Eagle Eye Cherry. Other Side, Red Hot Chili Peppers. Little Talks of Monsters and Men. The 6-4-1-5 has also been used lately by Luis Fonsi for Despacito and Ed Sheeran, Perfect. If you've enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on future lessons. The resources for today's lesson are available by clicking the link below. If you'd like to learn more about playing the ukulele, please check out my courses that are available from JB Lessons. That's it for now. Cheers.